Let's say that you manage a team of recruiters and you want to ask yourself, what is the purpose of our function as talent acquisition? What are we trying to accomplish and how does it help the organization? Well, for starters, we want to hire high quality talent for our organization. We want to hire that talent as quickly as possible because by the time a job requisition is opened, there is a need for that talent. And we want to make sure that we are being cost effective, but also creating competitive offers so that we're going to retain talent for a good amount of time and we don't have a high turnover rate. So when we distill that down into KPIs, we can say things like days to fill can measure how effective we are at quickly filling open positions. We can talk about 6-month and 12-month turnover rates to see how effective we are at hiring people who are going to stick and fit in the culture and not turn over in a short amount of time. And then we could have a lagging metric where we look back at the first year performance evaluation of people that have been hired by Recruiter and say what portion of those individuals were rated as meets or exceeds expectations versus did not meet expectations. And when you create that full picture, now as a leader of a talent acquisition function, you have a lot more informed metrics that allow you to effectively measure how well your recruiters are performing in their roles and provide them with tangible and actionable feedback around what they can improve on instead of just operating by gut feel.